For individuals managing diabetes, enjoying mangoes requires some thoughtful strategies. Here are expert recommendations on how to consume mangoes while keeping blood sugar levels in check. Number 1. Moderation is key. Mangoes can be part of a diabetic diet, but moderation is crucial. Aim for a small serving, such as half a cup, to avoid excessive sugar intake. Don't eat more than 100 to 150 grams of mangoes in one sitting. Number 2. Pair with protein or healthy fats. Combining mangoes with protein or healthy fats helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. For example, enjoy a small serving of mango with a handful of nuts or a dollop of yogurt. Number 3. Fiber-rich meal first. Before indulging in mangoes, consume a balanced meal that includes protein or fiber-rich foods. Fiber-rich foods like whole grains, vegetables, or nuts can help mitigate the impact of mangoes on blood sugar levels. Number 4. Avoid consuming mangoes at night before sleep, as blood sugar levels may spike throughout the night. Opt for enjoying them after lunch or breakfast instead. Number 5. Avoid mango shakes or juices. Remember, moderation and smart choices are key when including mangoes in your diet. Enjoy this delicious fruit mindfully. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.